Welcome to our Energy Connect studio at ADIPEC 2022. I'm delighted to have sitting next to me Camila Ortiz, Digital Product Champion for Surface Production Systems at SLB.
Thank you very much for having me.
Thanks for dropping down. So hydraulic fracturing, personal, intensive and highly manual operation. How will introducing digitalisation and automation improve operations and also the resulting completions?
Yeah. So the challenges of hydraulic multi-frac operations, and especially when you have multiple wells, it makes people get into the red zone. Yeah. And imagine you're working under pressure, long hours, so it's very easy to make human errors are very, very possible, right? So any miscommunication or any lack of coordination, to resolve it is very, very costly. Performance Live digital connected services, what it does is it gives that visibility and control to the operations. So with the digitalized workflows and the automated services, what we're doing is eliminating the need to bring that personnel into the hazardous zone, and we are avoiding those human errors. We are giving more better communication across all the crews, and we are bringing operational integrity. So as well as with the Performance Live, we can help our customers achieve their targets faster of performance, safety, and sustainability.
Absolutely. I mean, protecting people and the environment are operators' primary concern. And as you just said, digitalization and automation protect personnel at frac sites and minimize the likelihood of environmental impact. And how do you see that sort of working in in all the operations you do?
Yeah, absolutely. So apart from all the safety that we introduced to our operations, we are bringing performance. So we are bringing efficiencies with standardized and optimized workflows. And those optimized workflows are making the stages per day for frac faster. And what that does as well is, the frac trucks are idling. When you're waiting from stage to stage, you're idling and you're having all these additional CO2 emissions. So we're actually removing the CO2 emissions.
Okay, and so ensuring that standards and practices are followed is critical. Will the resulting boost in efficiency resulting from automation compromise safety or the integrity of the operation?
Yes, absolutely. So there is a lot of opportunity to make mistakes, and there is so many risks that what the industry has done is implement checklists, and there's very heavy manual checklist meetings on site and making sure that everything is working fine. Sometimes trying to talk on a radio, and it's not that it's the best way to communicate. And so what we're doing is with this digital solution, we are standardizing those workflows, making them optimal, and those meetings and those calls are not needed anymore. So we're making it faster, safer, and more efficient.
Well, that's the best way. And as you just said, making it faster and better. How else can digitalization and automation help minimize costly NPT related to hydraulic zipper frac operations? Absolutely.
So there is, imagine, one of the most expensive or time-consuming errors is, for example, cutting wireline. So then you have to go fishing. So we developed software interlocks that avoid those errors. So right now we can say that we have operations with zero wireline cuts or anything that you are not supposed to do, all based with our digital solutions.
Great, and just before we end, would you be able to, Camila, just walk us through the current state of the art in frac operation automation?
Yeah. So our ultimate goal is to have enable our customers to have continuous operations, so that everything they do is value added in their activity. So what we want to do is orchestrate very harmoniously that operation between all the crews, so introduce a lot of automation.
Great, and I assume the future holds more automation and more standardization.
Exactly. That's exactly what we want to see. Operations that are seamless, with perfect performance, with getting to the first oil faster.
Well, Camila, thank you so much for popping around the Energy Connect studio and enjoyed our conversation.
Thank you very much for having me.